Okay, let's move on to the next part, login and registration. Back on the page, let's first go ahead and rename this blank page to login. Okay, good. Then, based on our earlier analysis, our page actually consists of two distinct parts. First, there's a view within our page, and it's centered. Next, for this view, we can go ahead and configure its style. Its width is set to fit content, and the height can also be set to fit content. The padding is set to 30 respectively. It is arranged from top to bottom with a gap of 20. Then we set the border radius to 15. Choose white for the background color. Next, let's add a border using the theme color we just picked. Okay, and we can also add a little shadow to it. Again, select our theme color with a transparency of 30. This creates a slightly better looking view. Then we can modify our view's name. Okay, this makes it easier to identify our current hierarchy. So within this entire view, the first thing we'll add is our title component. Let's go ahead and give this project a name, Style AI.